What's up, guys? Rich Duper Bash. I'm out here for a quick fun run. I got off work early today and the sun's finally out. It's a little windy but absolutely beautiful in the 60s for the first time in a long time. So anyway, so I got my Kraton here. It's a little bit dirty. Wasn't able to really go through it because this was kind of an unexpected bash. But basically I'm just out here. I'm going to give these, I had another set of V3 Kraton shocks, and so I went ahead and swapped these guys on. And again, I don't know if I was totally clear in my other video when I had first tried these on the Outcast. I was super happy with them. This was kind of a quick job, but again, just to excuse me, just to clarify, so what I did, because the standoffs are different on the V3, both Kraton, Outcast, I believe Typhon, I think the entire 6S lineup, the stock caps, the V3 shock caps will not fit correctly. So what I did, just like I did with my Outcast, is I used my V2 Kraton caps and just spun them on here. They are a little bit smaller. You just got to be careful not to smash the bladder because they don't seat all the way down. But anyway, they feel pretty good. One thing I did notice is the springs are I've tried spinning them around a little bit, but the springs are binding on the threads just a little bit here. But I've been waiting forever to go to 4mm shafts, so nothing really too new. Nothing else too new with the Kraton. I'm still running my large can 4092 motor in here, the Hobby Star 1730 kV. I might need to play with the ride height a little bit. I did change the oil. So I'm running the stock oil and the stock springs. All I did was I just topped them off and I got the shocks bled. So, but they do feel pretty good. I did want to add, guys, you know, it seems I didn't notice it so much with the Outcast, but these rear shocks definitely seem about a 1/4 inch shorter. The V3 Kraton shocks seem a little shorter than the V2. So I did end up having to bring my arms up. I had to tighten down my droop screws just a little bit. I just sprayed myself. That glare's making it a little tricky. Yeah, these shocks are feeling good so far, guys. This green stuff's still really slick. Ooh. I gotta be careful not to blow these wheels off. Again. Oh, ooh, there it was. She's a grinder. Oh, you can hear that diff, guys. That's nasty. All right, guys. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, I might end it on that note. Oh man. Well, I will report that the shocks feel great. I'll just take a quick look here. Yeah, I've kind of lost track on when I last did these diffs, guys. But yeah, nice even dampening on both sides. Oh my gosh, that sounds so nasty. All right, guys, I think I'm officially rear-wheel drive. Maybe not. Until next time. Late.